Hello, Thomas YouTubers. This is Michael from Custom Thomas Mike Arnett, and what I have on the table will be going up on eBay very soon is this metal wind-up Thomas the Train, and I also have an unpacking today to increase my hit toy line. So let's go ahead and do the unpacking first. All right, let's take a look. Looks like we got the Bertrand here. Looks like he's in good shape. Let me bring it a little closer so you can see. Nice and shiny, got his name there. Look on his face again. Let me bring it a little closer so you can see it a little better. Let me this way, yeah, that way. There it is, a little better. Take a look at him. All right, over the top. There we go. And the other side of them looks like good shape. All right, let's take a look. And it is a Hit Toys. Obviously, it's a Hit Toys. And here's his toll wagon tender. All right, let's give Bertrand a run. Okay, I got Bertram on the track. Take a better, closer look at him. Up on the track, and I just attached some narrow gauge coaches on these cream and blue ones, and let's give him a run, see how he does. Not too bad. All right, that's Bertram. Okay, so what we got up, and like I said earlier, this is a metal wind-up Thomas the Train Tank Engine and Friends in its original box from Japan. It has American writing over here, but then on this side, it is Japanese. From what I understand, people who know how to read these things, this ST date means it looks like it was made in 2007. Here's the other side of it. It's a cool little box. American writing right there. Tin toy. All right, let's go ahead and take it out of its box. All right, so we'll take a look at it. My thumb is all in the way. All right, it's a tin toy, and it's a wind-up. There's the wind-up key right there. There's Annie. And then there's Clarabelle over here. All right, there's Clarabelle. Let's look it over on the other side. And there we go. And it's a wind-up toy. And my table is pretty slick for it, so if I wind it, it does work. And so you can see the wheels moving. And it goes. Let's wind it up more. Might spend too much now. But my table's pretty slick for it. Alright, so this will be up for auction on eBay soon. A tin toy wind-up Thomas the Train. Thanks for watching.